How to increase credit limit, Rabobank. Follow these steps. Make sure your account is in good standing, with no missed payments or overdue balances. Check that your credit score and financial situation are stable. Log into your Rabobank online banking account or open their mobile app. Look for options related to your credit card or loan account. If available, select the option to request a credit limit increase. If there is no option online, call Rabobank's customer service for assistance. Alternatively, visit a local Rabobank branch and speak to a representative. Provide any necessary documents, like proof of income or financial details. Wait for Rabobank to review your request and make a decision. Once approved, your new credit limit will be communicated to you. Thanks for watching.